Good morning, everyone. As we had completed our chapter crop production and management, now today we will discuss the question answers, right? So let's start. I am sharing the questions. Yes. Yes. बच्चे चैप्टर देखने में देखो लंबा है, बट आई थिंक सबको चैप्टर समझ आ गया. जयवंत, अनमोल. Right, let's start the question answers. First is the blanks. Select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. The same kind of plants grow and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called. Yes, Avni, unmute yourself. Avni, unmute करो बेटे. हो क्यों नहीं रहा?
Then crop.
Yes. The first step before, एक second. The first step before sowing, growing crop is dash of the soil. Yes, Prabal. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, preparation of soil.
Preparation of soil. Yes, Bani. Next ka bolo, unmute yourself. Put dash on the top of the water. Bani, unmute yourself. No. Mehak, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, float on the top of the water.
Float on the top of the water. Next भी बता सकते हो. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil are essential.
Ma'am, water and nutrients.
Water and nutrients from the soil are important.
Yes.
Right. Next is match the column. Kharif crops. Yes, Angel, unmute yourself. Kharif crops. Angel, unmute yourself, bete. Bani, unmute yourself. हाँ जी, Angel बोलिए. Kharif crops.
Ma'am, fifth option, paddy and maize.
Paddy and maize. Rabi crops. Anmol, Rabi crops.
Ma'am, wheat, gram, pea.
Right. Yes, Bani. Chemical fertilizers.
Ma'am, urea and
Phosphate. Yes, organic manure. ये भी बता दो.
animal, cow dung, urine and plant waste.
Yes. Give two examples of the Kharif crop that is given above also in the match of the
Rice and maize.
paddy and rice and maize or paddy and maize, and Rabi crops, wheat and pea, gram, koi bhi, right? Write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Preparation of soil. Yes. Yes, Anmol, unmute yourself. No? Yes, Prabal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes. The separation of there are two ways for the separation of soil. First is plowing. The plowing is the process of loosening and turning of soil. Soil. It is also called tilling. Second is leveling. Leveling After plowing, land should be leveled or pressed with the help of wooden plank or iron levers. Levelers, it is done by animals or tractors. Loosening of soil is important because it has more air spaces, so roots can breathe easily. It can hold more water. It helps in mixing manures. It helps roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The it promotes the
बहुत
growth
लंबा
of.
प्रबल, it's not, no need to write in full detail, that we are not writing all these things. We will write preparation of soil is the first important मतलब जो practice है, that is the first most step in the growing a crop. It is very important and it is done by the two ways, that is the plowing and the leveling. ठीक है, in this we are loosening the soil, we are also doing because it will help to grow the crop properly, because it will it will help the soil up and down and help to grow the microorganisms. We can write like this. ठीक है, बहुत डिटेल भी नहीं. Then sowing. Yes, Bani. Unmute yourself, Bani.
Sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality, clean, and healthy seeds of a good variety are sketched. Farmers prefer to use seeds with high yield. Damaged seeds become hollow and are thus lighter, so
We will not
farmers do
explain.
not seize them.
Bani, again, we will not explain how we will select the seeds. We will just write down sowing is the important, because before sowing, that the selection of the seed is we have to do. We will select the healthy seeds and grow with the help of the seed drill, and वो आप उनके equipments लिख दोगे, tools लिख दोगे, right? Then weeding. Yes, Anmol, unmute yourself. Weeding.
Weeding, it is the process of removal of unwanted plants that grow along with the crop, and it is important to remove the weeds because they fight with the crop for the space, sunlight, nutrients, and water.
Threshing. Who will explain threshing? Who will explain threshing? Jayant. What is threshing? Unmute yourself, Jayant.
Yes, ma'am. After the crop is harvested, the grains are separated from the chaff by a process called threshing. This can be done manually by striking the crop against a hard surface or by making farm animals trample the crop.
And by using
machine called threshers also
combine, which also helps in the
threshing.
Yes.
Combine or
harvester.
Yes.
Yes. You will write down the question 4. From the question 4, you will write down in the notebook, right, bete? Explain how fertilizers are different from manure, right? It is already given in your book. Okay, we discussed, no doubt, we discussed the difference between manures and fertilizers, but they had given in a very proper manner. They had given the manures and the fertilizers in the different form, but parameters are not given. So you have to write down the parameters. In 4 points, these 4 points are not enough. You have to write down at least 6 points. So what you can write? Tell me the other points, but you can write. Yes, Prabal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other point?
Ma'am, yes. Preparation.
बच्चे बाकी म्यूट करो.
Ma'am, nutrients, it has less amount of NPK and fertilizers has large amount of NPK.
That is given. That is given. Other point, except these 4 points that is showing on the
Ma'am,
screen.
1 minute.
इन चारों को तो स्क्रीन पे शो हो रहे हैं, इनके अलावा. Yes, Jayant, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, it is no.
And fertilizers are costly and manures are not
Now wait.
expensive.
Jayant.
Ma'am, fertilizers are costly and manures are not costly. They are not expensive.
Wait a while. Anve, unmute karo. And can you give me the parameters on these 4 points? Anve, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Pollution.
The parameter first point that is showing on the screen, that is man-made, inorganic and organic. So what we will write on the parameter?
Nature.
Nature. Very nice. Fertilizers is prepared in the factories and that is the field. Parameter.
Preparation.
Preparation. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil and manures provide humus to the soil. That is humus. We can write humus. Then fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like NPK, and whereas manures are less rich in NPK. So
Amount of NPK present.
Amount of NPK we can write down the nutrients. है ना? Yeah, acha. After this, as the Javant told one point that they are less costly and these are costly. Fertilizers are costly, whereas the manures are less costly. So we will write on the parameter cost, right? Expensive.
Ma'am, examples are not given.
Example will not considered as a point. Again, and I am telling.
Yes, we
So
know.
you can write another point, that is fertilizers are you can say they cause pollution, whereas the manures, they do not cause any pollution, right? You can write these points. Okay, number of points we already discussed, so you have to write at least 6 points in the notebook also with the parameter. Is that clear, bache? Is that clear to everyone? Right now the next question is, what is irrigation? Describe 2 methods of irrigation which conserve water. Yes, who will explain? Who will explain? What is irrigation? Anmol, unmute yourself. Baki bachche bhi answer do bachche, rest. Give me the answer.
The process of supplying of water to the crop at regular intervals is called irrigation. The 2 methods of irrigation which can help to conserve water are drip system and the sprinkler system.
Yes.
In the drip system, there are pipes which can automatically drop the water to the roots by drip
Hole,
by
which has holes,
which
okay,
have holes.
Water will fall down, okay, to the exact position of the right position of the plants. Again, drip sprinkler.
In the sprinkler system, there are perpendicular pipes with rotating nozzles at their top. When the water is come out, it is automatically when the water comes out of the nozzle, it is
It will
automatically
supply the
sprinkled over the crop.
We will write uniform distribution of water to all the crops simultaneously. Okay. Next, very nice, Anmol. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Yes, Avni, Akshima. Okay, unmute yourself, Akshima. Akshima, unmute yourself, bete. Any other? Avni, unmute yourself. Can you give the answer of this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji?
Ma'am, if wheat is grown in Kharif season, then it would not be able to grow because wheat has some growing conditions. It is grown in winter season. So if we will grow it in summer, in Kharif season, then due to a lot of heat, it would not be able to grow.
We can write also one another point. We can write कि under unfavorable condition wheat is not grown. Okay, it will not adapt the conditions. It will not adapt the conditions of the Kharif season. Okay, so we will not get the good yield of the crop. Even not good yield, we will not able to get the crop. Okay, if we will not sown in a proper season. Next is explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crop in a field. Any other? Pulkit, Manasva, Gurnoor, Medha, Manan. बच्चे reply. Astha, answer दो बच्चे. Everyone knows. Yes, who will give the answer of this question? Yes, Anvay, unmute yourself.
Continuous plantation of crops in a field will affect the amount of nutrients present in the soil, as nutrients won't be able to replenish themselves.
Or, matlab, if the 2 marks question, so what we will write? We will write soil gets also affected by the
They
continuous.
would not, the plants would not get enough space and nutrients.
Okay. Any other? Yes, Prabal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, continuous plantation of crops make the soil poorer in certain nutrients, and as the crops take up nutrients from the soil becomes infertile. It does not get enough time to replenish the nutrients.
Yes, yes, Anvay. The same line as you told, but we will write down. Prabal, mute. We will write down कि when the soil gets affected by the continuous plantation, so we will write कि crops get the nutrients from the soil. They will absorb the nutrients and the water and the nutrients from the soil for their growth, right? When we will continue grow a crop, the nutrients in the soil will be finished. Okay, and it will take time. If we are growing continuously, then the soil becomes infertile because the nutrients will not be present in the soil. Okay, we are not able to replenish it. Okay, so you can add the 1 or the 2 main points. What are weeds? How can we control them? How can we control them? Yes, Pulkit, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, weeds are the unwanted plant which grows along with the crops. Ma'am, they can be controlled by 2 ways: by hand method or modern method. In the hand method, we can plow it with our hands, or in
And we can pluck
the
it.
modern method,
We can pluck it.
pluck it.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in modern method, a chemical is sprayed on it to kill it. Ma'am, it is called weedicide. Ma'am, weedination. Ma'am,
Weeding.
weedination.
Weeding. Then arrange the following boxes. We will not arrange. We will not write the question in this form, but we will write iski jagah pe, but we will write what are agriculture practices. Write down the steps. ठीक है? What are agriculture practices and write down the steps of the agriculture practices. Clear? कौन कौन सी हैं agriculture practices sequence में? Number 1 is the preparation of the soil. Right? Number 2, sowing. Number 3, कहाँ गया? Manuring, यानी कि replenishment of nutrients. Number 4, irrigation. Number 5, अच्छा इन्होंने plowing the field भी given है. Preparation के बाद plowing the field, then sowing, then manuring, then irrigation, then harvesting, and then sending crops to the factory. They had taken one sugarcane crop chart लिया है. इसी तरह से आपको कोई भी क्रॉप चार्ट आ जाए तो यू कैन राइट, और यू कैन डू दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. इसका सीक्वेंस करके यू कैन राइट. आपको शुगर केन क्रॉप की जगह वी कैन गिव यू द अनदर क्रॉप एंड आस्क यू टू मेक इट इन अ प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस. सीक्वेंस हमें पता है: प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, सिलेक्शन एंड सोइंग ऑफ सीड, रिप्लेनिशमेंट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स, इरिगेशन, हार्वेस्टिंग, देन क्या है, स्टोरेज. हाँ जी अनवे बेटे, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अनवे.
मैम एक मेरा डाउट है कि थ्रेशिंग और विनोइंग में मेन डिफरेंस क्या है? कि विनोइंग में
threshing is done by beating it on the hard surface. When we are beaten it on the hard surface, then the seeds या grains will be separate out. Whereas winnowing, it is done by with the help of the wind, because lighter particles will separate out. क्योंकि जब threshing होती है ना, threshing में अलग होते हैं, but might be उनके साथ husk और शेफ कहीं पे कुछ mix हो, so winnowing से that will be separated out. Winnowing is done to the lighter or the heavier components. When we are doing the winnowing, the seed grains या food grains, they will directly fallen, ठीक है, and the husk will be separated out because it is lighter in nature. Whereas in threshing, we will beaten it on the hard surface, जिसमें से हमने शेफ में से या stalks में से we have to separate the food grains, seed grains. Clear अनबे बेटे?
Yes ma'am, ये 10th क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्लेन करने हैं स्टेप्स.
No need to explain.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Okay, these questions you have to write from 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. You have to write down in your notebook. इज दैट क्लियर बेटा? क्लियर है? ये देखो यहाँ पे silos, I think on that day left na, see these are the gunny bags. अच्छा, when they putting the gunny bags ना, तो यहाँ पे नीचे plank होता है, wooden plank. Wooden plank means if I am keeping anything on the table, तो table is at some height so that नीचे से moisture, कोई insect directly उनमें जाए. When the rain comes तो वो पानी अंदर ना जाए. They made a plank, wooden plank. Plank means sort of a table you can say. उनके ऊपर वो रखते हैं to prevent it. And silos are like this. ये देखो बड़े बड़े drums हैं. These are the silos. ठीक है, ये commercial scale पे होता है, जहां पे उन्होंने बहुत सारा स्टोर करना. Then they are using the silos. Okay? Clear है बेटे सबको? हाँ जी करणवीर, unmute yourself बेटे.
मैम हमने कौन से क्वेश्चन फेयर पे करने हैं?
अच्छा, फोर्थ से, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, सेवंथ, एथ, नाइन्थ, टेंथ. Okay? Any other doubt to anyone?